Ever wonder how your favorite brands seem to pop up all over social media backed up by the influencers you trust? That's influencer marketing, and it's revolutionizing the way businesses connect with customers. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. In today's video, we'll be breaking down the ins and outs of influencer marketing, how it works, why it's effective, and if it's right for your business. Stick around to learn how influencers can take your brand to the next level. Influencer marketing has exploded in recent years, becoming one of the most powerful tools in brands' marketing arsenal. With social media at the heart of today's digital world, influencers, people with large and engaged followings, are helping brands reach new audiences in a more authentic and relatable way. Whether it's a beauty blogger reviewing the latest skincare product or a fitness enthusiast sharing their favorite gear, influencers are playing a key role in shaping consumer behavior. Why has influencer marketing become so popular? It's simple. Consumers trust recommendations from individuals more than traditional ads. A genuine endorsement from someone they admire feels more credible and less like a sales pitch. This growing trust has made influencer marketing a go-to strategy for businesses of all sizes. Not all influencers are created equal. There are several categories based on the size of their following and the nature of their content. At the top of the scale, you have mega influencers, celebrities or public figures with millions of followers. They often work with major brands and have a broad reach, but can come with a hefty price tag. Next are macro influencers with followings in the hundreds of thousands. They tend to have a more niche focus and are seen as authoritative figures in their fields, making them ideal for targeted campaigns. On the other hand, micro influencers have smaller audiences, typically ranging from 10,000 to 50,000 followers. But they often have more engaged and loyal communities, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Lastly, nano influencers are everyday people with fewer than 10,000 followers, but their highly engaged, tight-knit audiences make them perfect for local or niche businesses. Influencer marketing is not only popular but also incredibly effective. Studies show that businesses earn an average of $5.20 every $1 spent on influencer marketing. Why? Because influencers have built trust with their audiences, and when they endorse a product, it feels more like a personal recommendation than an ad. But it's not just about the size of the audience, it's about engagement. A micro-influencer with a smaller but highly engaged following can sometimes drive more results than a celebrity with millions of passive followers. Authenticity is key. When influencers genuinely believe in a product, their enthusiasm shines through, resulting in higher credibility and better outcomes. E-commerce stores are some of the biggest beneficiaries of influencer marketing. By partnering with influencers, e-commerce brands can showcase their products in real-world settings, providing social proof to potential customers. Influencers can often create content that highlights how products fit into their lifestyle, making it easier for followers to visualize themselves using those products. And e-commerce stores often provide influencers with discount codes or affiliate links to share with their audiences. This not only tracks conversions but also incentivizes followers to make a purchase. Brands like Fashion Nova and Gymshark have used this strategy to grow exponentially by leveraging influencers in their niche to reach new, engaged customers. So, is influencer marketing a fit for your business? The answer depends on your target audience, goals, and budget. If your business relies on building trust and brand awareness, working with influencers can be a game changer. It's especially effective for lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and fitness industries where visual appeal is crucial. Even if you don't have a massive budget, working with micro or nano influencers can give you a strong return on investment. But it's important to choose the right influencers, ones whose values align with your brand and whose followers are likely to be interested in your products. Don't just chase follower counts. Focus on engagement and authenticity. If done right, influencer marketing can be one of the most cost-effective ways to scale your business. And remember, having a fast and reliable website is key when those influencers drive traffic to your store. And that's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. Our high-performance hosting ensures your site runs smoothly even when your sales are booming thanks to your influencer partnerships. Click the link in the description to find more about how Rapyd Cloud can elevate your WordPress experience. And that's a wrap on influencer marketing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.